cannot recommend enough this authentic Ghanaian class. From the moment we arrived, Cecilia was vibrant and welcoming. She was not only knowledgeable but passionate about sharing the rich culinary traditions of Ghana. The ingredients were fresh, the seasoning and spice was on point, and I loved learning how to make authentic dishes. My favorite is jollof rice. The hands-on experience allowed me to get a true feel for the culture and flavors, and her explanations made even complex dishes seem easy to master. The class was fun, educational, and incredibly delicious. This experience is a must for anyone visiting Ghana. It's more than just a cooking class, it's an immersion into the heart of Ghanaian cuisine and culture. Trust me, you don't want to miss it, and the leftovers taste better the next day. I recently attended a local cooking class with Cecilia, and it was an absolute delight. Cecilia, the host, was incredibly attentive and knowledgeable, catering to my every request. She tailored the entire experience to meet my specific needs, ensuring that I felt comfortable and engaged throughout the class. Cecilia's commitment to hygienic practices put me at ease, and her willingness to share her extensive cooking knowledge and tips was invaluable. She took the time to explain local customs and practices, enriching the experience even further. At the end of the class, Cecilia thoughtfully packed up all the delicious food we prepared, so I could take it home and enjoy it later. I also discovered that Cecilia offers meal prep services, and I can't wait to place orders for authentic local food during my next visit. If you don't have time for the cooking class, I highly recommend ordering takeaway or delivery from Cecilia. It's the perfect way to sample the local flavors at your convenience, especially after a long day of touring. Above all, it was Cecilia's sweet and kind spirit that made the experience truly special. Her warmth and generosity made the cooking class an unforgettable experience. I wholeheartedly recommend Cecilia's cooking class and her meal prep services to anyone looking for an authentic culinary adventure. This was an amazing experience. Ceci was so hospitable and really broke down each and every step. Prior to the class, she reached out and asked if there were any meals we were particularly interested in learning. She customized the class specifically for us, and was such a great conversationalist all the way through. I truly felt like a Ghanaian local, and I'm definitely going to try to make these dishes at home. I highly recommend. This was a great experience. Cece was very sweet and accommodating. The food came out really good also. We made jollof, chicken groundnut soup, fried chicken, plantain and veggies. Such an amazing time cooking with Cece. I've been to many countries around the world and never had such an in-depth, end-to-end cooking experience. I recommend taking this cooking class with no plans after, so you can make all the dishes at a relaxed pace and also learn about Cece's ministry, youth support, and other work she does in the community. She does have very nice to-go containers as well, so don't worry if you forget to bring your own. Enjoy cooking with Cece.